Hello everyone, this is Jatindra Kumar Nanda of Panikoil Government High School. In this video, I am teaching you a lesson from your English book, okay, of class 8. So all of you see the picture. This is the picture of a mongoose, and here a mongoose is fighting with a snake. So the topic is mongoose. So let's discuss what things you will get after the end of the lesson, okay. So you see, after the end of the lesson, you can read the passage perfectly. Okay, you can enrich your vocabulary, means you can know different new words, you can use different new words, and you can answer the comprehension questions. Clear? And you are able to tell about mongoose. At last, whenever you will get about the mongoose, you can tell a paragraph, you can tell a speech about mongoose, their activity, their living style, okay, how they live together, okay, all these things. Clear? So let's start. As if one, paragraph 1. Mongooses like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby. While poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws, and scratching the ground with their sharp claws, mongooses look very amusing. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. Okay. So students, you listen to the voice again and again and try to read very perfectly with correct pronunciation and fluency. Clear? So let's know the vocabulary, the words that are used. Clear? I am underlining the new words here, and you will note down in your copy and practice the spellings 3-4 times. Okay. First of all, mongooses. Okay. Then hunt together. Clear? Then dangerous. Okay. Then poking. Clear? Then overturning. Okay. Paws. Scratching. Clear? Then sharp. Okay. Claws. Then amusing. Okay. Next, beetles. Then millipedes. Then creatures. Okay. So all these words you will note down. Now let's discuss the paragraph. Okay. Mongooses like to hunt together. That means the mongooses, whenever they go out, they go in group to hunt. Clear? But they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals nearby. That means whenever they go out to hunt for their food, they also they are very careful for the hunting animals. Those who would come and hunt them, kill them. Clear? They are very careful. Okay. They go together to hunt. You see a picture here. You see how they are together here to fight with the snake. Clear? So all of you see, their hunting animals of the mongoose are the hawks, eagles, okay, and other animals, those who kill mongooses and eat them. Clear? So they always keep a lookout for dangerous hunting animals. Look out for means they look out for means they search, they are very cautious whether any animal is attacking them. Okay, that's why they are in a group. Okay. While poking their noses, you see some activities of the animals are given here. While poking their noses into holes, okay, the mongooses poke their noses. Okay, that means enter. Poke means here, enter or put in. Clear? Their noses into holes. Overturning rocks, overturning, turn over. That means pushing the rock aside. Okay, pushing aside. You can say pushing aside. Okay. Clear? Why? Because they want to collect the creatures under the rocks. Okay. And they use their paws for this. And they scratch the ground with their sharp claws. Okay. They scratch the ground like this. They scratch the ground with their sharp claws. Okay. So all these activities are very amusing of the mongooses. Clear? The claws and paws, you see here one picture I have shared. You see, you can see these are the claws. Okay. You see how the nails are very pointed. Okay, in their claws. With this they scratch the ground. Clear? And these are the soft feet of the mongooses. Okay, and with this they overturn the rock. They push the rock aside to collect the creatures under it. Clear? Okay. Next, you see, what do they eat? A common sight in many parts of Africa. In Africa, you can see they travel in groups of about 20. They always travel in group For what? To look for. Look for means search, find. Okay. What? Beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. You see the pictures of beetles here. It is given. Okay. These insects are called beetles. These insects are called millipedes. Okay. So beetles, millipedes are the food of mongooses. Clear? So first paragraph is over, and you will all go through the first paragraph and get it properly. Clear? Come to paragraph 2. Okay. They like to hunt together. Okay. It is very common in paragraph 1. It is told in paragraph 2 also told they like to hunt together. That means whenever they go out, they go in group, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling. Clear? So they keep in touch. They have a touch with each other whenever they go out of sight. Out of sight means one cannot see the other. When one cannot see the other, one is inside the bush and another under the rock or in a hole. Okay, that time they cannot see each other. Okay, so what do they do? How can they keep touch with each other at this time? They twitter. Okay, twitter means they produce a sound. Clear? That time they produce a sound. Clear? They twitter, they call each other, they have touch with each other, and always on the lookout for danger. Okay, always they are very careful if any hunting animal is attacking them, like hawks, eagles. You see the picture of hawk, picture of eagle. Okay, so they warn one another with a special alarm call. That is the sound, that is twittering. Okay, if they spot anything suspicious means doubtful. If they doubt that a hawk is coming to attack them, an eagle is coming to attack them, suddenly or immediately, okay, they produce a sound. Okay, and all of them will hide themselves. Okay, so that the hawk or eagle cannot attack them. Okay, so this is all about the passage. Okay, and you will go through again and again and get it perfectly. Okay, let's discuss the comprehension questions I am discussing, and you will do it in your copy, in your rough copy. Okay, next time I will send the answers, and you will pair it in your English copy. Okay, what are the paras about? Okay, the paras are about, you will write mongooses. Clear? And listen, you should read it silently and do it, but I am discussing for your fair understanding. Okay, both the paras talk about one very common nature of mongooses. Again and again I have told what is that common nature. Okay, see the first line of both the paras. They like to hunt together. It is given there, you see. Next, mongooses do two kinds of things. In other words, their activities or work can be divided in two kinds. Okay, they do two things. Okay, first one is hunt food. Okay, second one is careful about the hunting animals. Okay, the animals that would come and hunt them, kill them. Okay, you will go through the paragraph and write. Number 4, one of them is looking for food. What do mongooses normally eat? Okay, in paragraph 1 it is given beetles, millipedes. You will find that. Okay, and question number 5, they eat beetles, millipedes, etc. But the mongooses are also eaten by other creatures. Who are these big creatures? I am not telling this. You will go through paragraph 2 and get it. Clear? It is in para 2, and picture also I have set. Clear? Next, question number 6. They look for food, but they also look out for dash. They look for food, first thing. And second thing, what you will write here? They look out for danger. You say danger. Okay, you will write that. Question number 7. One very common nature of mongooses is living and hunting together. Both the paras talk about this common feature. Okay, give some examples in support of this from these two paras. Okay, see last part of para 1. Last part of para 1, you can see one example here. It is given in Africa. What do they do? It is given here. They travel in groups of about 20 to look for beetles, millipedes, and other small creatures. Okay, and in para 1 also they look out for danger. Okay, and they warn one another with a special alarm if they spot anything suspicious. You can give that. Okay, so next you see question number 8. How do they keep in touch with each other? With a special alarm in para 2 it is given. How do they warn each other? It is also given there, repeatedly given. The writer calls the mongooses very amusing animals. Okay. When do they look amusing? I have already discussed a few things. What do they do with their nose, claws, paws? All these things are very amusing. So all of you go through the passage, okay, perfectly and read it perfectly. Practice the spelling and do the comprehension questions in your rough copy. In the next video, I will send you the written answers. Okay, you will check yours and pair it in your English copy. Okay, students. Thank you all.